it's Joe here from Lings in Harleston, and today for you I have the Tuono V4 factory. And what an awesome bike this is, with just 3,700 miles on the clock, one previous owner, full Aprilia main dealer service history. You can't go wrong at all for a super sports bike. Absolute mean sounding machine with that Akrapovic exhaust system, and obviously it's got all the electric suspension and can be dialed right into how you like to ride. So what an absolutely awesome bike this is. If this does interest you, give us a call ASAP, as I don't see it hanging around for too long at all. Give me a call, 01379 851 090.